Guys, this is a tutorial on how to find resources and assets for your videos, and I'm going to point you in the way of Pixabay and give you a quick little tour. It is worth signing up, registering your account, and you can see here we get photos, illustrations, vectors, videos and music. And also I come here for all my backgrounds because they are free. If you sign up, then it means you can get the higher resolution images, which is always going to give you a bit more flexibility when it comes to organizing your assets to create your thumbnails. So let's have a look here. I'm going to type in background in here, and you can see that we get a lot of backgrounds here, but also worth noting you can change it so that if you wanted a very specific, say, purple background. Purple's a great colour for contrasting it with yellows. You can see this pink one here. If I had a beauty channel, then that bokeh on that one would probably be a great one. This one looks a bit vloggy to me. You can see there's lots and lots of free backgrounds there that are nice and eye-catching. Very, very simple. In my previous videos, I wanted a smiling woman. If I put in a smiling woman, I get pictures there of a smiling woman. I can take these and I can edit bits out, and like I say, if you remember my removing the image background images, I can do all that sort of stuff here. I'm going to get this one here, this young lady here, and then you can see it's tagged with different things up there, so that's going to help you in your search. You can get a free download on that. Now, because I'm logged in, I can go up to 4,608 by 3,456 pixels wide. That's a big photo. I can get the full size version of it, which means I can manipulate this a lot easier. So I'd recommend just signing up for a free Pixabay account. You don't have to put any uploads up there or anything else like that. So I will download that. I'm going to download it in that size there. That's plenty big enough for a thumbnail, and then what I'll do is just save as, and that's it. Now I have that image there. Let me go back. You'll get that pink one. I'm going to add those two there. I'm going to make a tutorial with a step-by-step walkthrough. I'm going to use that one there. Download 1920 by 1280. That's big enough as well. Let's have that. So guys, that's Pixabay, and that's a great place to find free images. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit that subscribe and check out my other videos on making better thumbnails. It'd be great to see you in the comments, and like I said, don't forget to hit that like and drop a comment. Take care, guys.